Hello, welcome to BitArmor's YouTube channel. This was my Prime Day EDC flashlight I found. It was about 50 bucks on Amazon, which it's hard to get to a Surefire G2 for that. So I'm going to give this a little try for a little while, and I'll probably report back with some information on it. So stay tuned and check out the unboxing. Hello and welcome back to BitArmor's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a new toy I picked up on Prime Day. This is a Streamlight Protac 2L-X. I like Streamlights, they're pretty decent lights. So let's see what I got. So we picked this up for Prime Day. A little charging cable. Apparently it's their 50-year anniversary. Ooh, 50-year anniversary sticker. It's like instructions and a warning that the battery could explode. Oh, nice little light. Nice deep EDC pocket clip. Let's see, bright, strobe, dim, nice. I think this will be my new EDC light. The crown bezel, back's got a little bit of crowning. It's like a lanyard hole here. Clip doesn't seem to swivel much, but that's not really important. Let's see. Battery cap comes out. Streamlight rechargeable battery. Got a little charging port somewhere, I assume. Yep, right there. USB rechargeable. Safety circuit protected lithium ion battery. Micro USB rechargeable. Let's see. 2.6 amp hours. It's not bad. Should last this LED quite a while. So I have instructions on which way it goes in. No, but you can probably just have to go with the spring side. O-ring seal, I have to put some grease on that. Single LED bulb in there. Nice reflector. Overall, nice little Amazon Prime Day find.